Welcome back to Nailed It. Today I have this beautiful look for you guys, so stay tuned and I'll show you how to recreate it. First, I'll be starting with my Glitter Planet UK's gel brush. This is the number 8 synthetic brush in the Light Elegance Kiss of Death buttercreams. I'm going to be applying this on all of my nails and then giving it a cure in my light for 30 seconds. Now I'll be going in with my Light Elegance Butter Bling. This is the black opal one. Look how beautiful and sparkly this is. I'm going to be putting this on top. And I didn't do 2 layers of Kiss of Death because I felt like my nails didn't need it. It's really a 1 coater, you guys. Like, honestly, you don't need 2 coats with it. And then plus me putting the black opal on top, just like, yeah, it really didn't need it. So after I'm done putting the black opal on, before I cure it in my light, I'm going to go in with the some loose glitters, and these are just like really fine bar glitters that I just like really loved. I thought it went really good with this set. And granted, I wasn't trying to make like a galaxy set, but I felt like that's the vibe of this. That's totally the vibe of this look. If I added some stars or put in some like star glitters, it would totally look like a galaxy nails. But yeah, that's when I was like doing the set, that wasn't the vibe. I just really wanted to use bar glitters because I just thought that they were like, I just really thought they went with the set in the black opal. And now I'm going to go in with the Kiara Sky top coat, and I'm going to be applying this on all of my nails, as you guys can see here. And then I'm going to give it a cure in my light for 60 seconds. These are my final results. You guys let me know how you're liking this set down in the comment area, and let me know if it reminds you of a galaxy, you know, set. I feel like it definitely reminds me of a galaxy, like galaxy nails or something. Really wasn't trying to go for that vibe, but as soon as my husband came home, he was like, "Oh my gosh, your nails look like a galaxy nails." I was like, "They do." I wasn't trying to even do that. But if you guys like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. And if you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and click that post notification bell so you guys don't miss another upload from me. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.